Hi, my name's Kenny Ingram, and I'm excited to bring to you this website that I've created. It's called getadailyincome.com, and it's going to do just that for you. I'm actually using all of my internet experiences and abilities to bring forth programs that will actually make you substantial amounts of money. But I guess in order for me to justify that, let me give you a quick background of where I'm coming from. I actually started out as a computer repair tech and learned HTML programming and started doing Facebook pages and social media profiles, and then I realized that social media marketing was the way to go, so we offered our clients social media marketing. It didn't make a whole lot of money, so we decided to actually start our own business. We started an MLM, multi-level marketing business, and started using social media marketing to promote our own business. Well, that was good. It taught me the aspect of residual income. I love residual income, and I decided to seek other avenues of further residual income, and it kind of introduced me to what's called high yield investment programs. Those are programs that give you 15, 30, 100% return on your money in short periods of time, and they were risky. Some of them were Ponzi schemes, some of them were legitimate, and I actually created a course that introduced on how to find those programs and how to get in and out and make some good quick cash. I didn't like the risk, so I decided to do what they were doing and invest in Forex and stocks and avenues that reaped good rewards. But there's the risk of loss, there's the risk of gain. Forex is a hard market to trade, and stocks go up and down, so I was looking further and I found Bitcoin. Bitcoin, if you haven't heard of Bitcoin yet, you're missing out. You need to get involved in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized currency and is worldwide. If you have any questions about it, you can go to bitcoin.org, click on this little video. It'll play introduction video. You can go down here, click on Get Started with Bitcoin, and inform yourself by reading more on option 1. You can see how you can get Bitcoins by finding an exchange or setting up Bitcoins on your own computer. Bitcoins is controlled through a database of transactions, and you can either have that transaction database on your computer and updating with transactions all the time, or you can use a third-party exchange, which in my case is well worth it. You can set up the Bitcoin database if you wish, but I suggest using a third-party exchange that allows you to purchase and sell Bitcoin. And the biggest one that people use in the United States is Coinbase.com. So you go to Coinbase.com and click on sign up, and we've got some videos that go through the process of signing up. But you set up your account there, and then you also want to go over to blockchain.info, and then set up an account there. We also have a video for that. Once you have those two things set up, then you are set. You're ready to exchange Bitcoin anywhere in the world. So that leads me back to, after you have your Bitcoin, what do you want to do? Well, we've designed a little programs tab here that gives you ideas on what you can do. If you're interested in trading Bitcoin, we have a awesome program that came out. It's called Trading Coin Club. If you click on the Trade Coin Club tab, it's actually the first legalized company to use a trading robot to trade cryptocurrencies. So basically, there's hundreds and thousands of cryptocurrencies out there that are based on the blockchain theory. Bitcoin, one of them, Ethereum, Factom, a whole bunch of others. And this basically describes a company that is actually using a software program to trade those coins with. And it has members that are signed up to the program that will reap rewards of those trades. So it trades automatically, and then it gives the members profits to their account. You can go down here and read about how to get started with the Trade Coin Club. It's an explanation video. If you're not into trading, then we can try another program. If you want to get involved with residual income, ZAR Fund is a good way to do that. ZAR Fund is a tier of participants that actually pay their upline Bitcoin every month. The program has a tier of 6 levels, and of those 6 levels you'll be receiving Bitcoin from people in each of those levels. This actually will describe what ZAR Fund is. It's a phenomenal program. You can actually make up to 164 Bitcoins per month, which would equal about 100,000 or more dollars depending on the price of Bitcoin. Phenomenal, exceptionally good program. We're involved in that. If you want to get involved with just investing, there's a program called the Billion Coin. The Billion Coin is growing at about 3% per day. It's a phenomenal program where it's not controlled by supply or demand. It's actually controlled by how many people are in it. And you can check out the videos that we have here that explains it. It's a quick way if you want to increase your wealth substantially. You can actually double your money each month or quicker. You can be a millionaire or a billionaire quicker than you think. I would highly suggest trying out that program. Another program is if you like the idea of banking, MMM is such a program designed with the concept of how bankers work, how the banks work. You actually deposit your money and the bank uses it for loaning out to others and doing investments, so the bank can put the investment money in their pockets and get the bankers all rich, and the same money goes around between accounts substantially so that they're using the same money 10 or 20 times. Well, MMM works the same way, where each of the participants make deposits and other participants will request withdrawals. So by eliminating the banker, they're able to participate with each other and give substantial interest, and to give substantial amounts of investment back to the participants. I would suggest checking out that tab if you're interested in that. And there's another program, FutureNet. FutureNet, awesome. If you're a Facebook junkie, you need to get involved with FutureNet as well. FutureNet is a social platform that pays you to do likes, to post, to increase your friends, to do everything that social media is doing, except you get points and get paid for doing those tasks. It also has a platform of a business platform that you can use to set up your business. It has advertising platforms where you can advertise your business. Phenomenal program. I'm glad I found that. So click on the programs tab here at getadailyincome.com. Check out some of the programs and get involved. We ourselves are involved in all of these, and I wouldn't put them up here if I didn't think that they were legitimate or worthy of getting involved with. Once we find new programs, I'll add them to this page and delete the ones that are not advantageous to use. So if you have any questions, just click on the contact tab here and fill out your information and send us a contact request. I'd love to answer any questions that you have. You can call me or you can send me an email, and I will answer any questions that you have. We look forward to making this world a better world. We're Christians in the light of law of attraction, and we attract to us everything that is good, everything that is of the Spirit. We give thanks that we're able to help those of you that realize the value of Bitcoin and this opportunities Bitcoin is offering us. So with that, I say get involved, get started. God bless you. Look forward to seeing you hearing from you. Thanks. This is Kenny.